Joe, do you remember about the group assessment given by Miss yesterday?
Oh yeah, I almost forgot that. We are both in the same group, right? So when we will do the group assignment?
How about today in the afternoon? We do it at my house.
Oh, okay, this afternoon. But I don't know where your house is. Can you tell me the direction of your house? I'll go to your house.
Oh yes, fine, I will explain. So you can go through Kuning, straight. After that, go through the campus bridge. Then turn left and keep going. If you see the Darajati Health Center, just keep going until you reach the museum. Turn right. Go straight. My house is behind 74 Sinta.
Oh, okay. Now I already know the direction of your house. See you later.
Okay, see you later.